Hi there, my name is Tyler. I'm a designer here at Craig Manufacturing in Hartland, New Brunswick. And today we're talking about our Craig 301 Quik Pick loader wing. I'm going to start the reattachment process now. I've finished with my bucket, so I'm going to drop it and pick up a wing. Now that I'm hooked into my coupler on the front, I'm going to pull my locking pin out of my rear post bracket. That'll allow the quick attach bracket to come down and grab this hook. So using my front post circuit on my Craig joystick, I'm going to extend my quick attach bracket out. You may have to use the articulation of the machine to get this bracket lined up correctly. There. Now that my rear post bracket is attached, I can get out and continue hooking up hoses and putting in pins. As in the removal process, you want to make sure that you get this pin put in shortly after bottoming out the cylinder to avoid having the cylinder seep any and make this pin not line up. Now we can raise our support foot on the bottom. I'm going to straighten it back out to the carry position, lock that in place. I'm going to pull the pin from the top of it and lift it up into place. Replacing the cotter pin on the end, and I can put the bottom pin in now. Like that. Now we can start connecting hydraulic hoses. So now that we've got our hydraulic hoses hooked back up and our caps put back on, I'm going to pull out the pin in the adjustable brace and put it back in the operational position. Again, it's very important that that pin is in the correct location, because if it's not and you lift the wing, it may snap. Next, I'm going to step over the wing here and I'm going to reconnect our hoses for the front post that we will route through the coupler, like so, and connect these to our disconnects with the ball valves. Now that I've got my front post quick disconnects hooked back up, I'm going to open the ball valves and reconnect my hoses for the reversible. All right, now that our reversible hoses are connected, this wing should be operational, so we'll hop back up in the cab. And that's how one person can rehook the Craig 301 Quik Pick wing on a loader with no additional equipment.